The bounty of the sea and of the land. The kitchen may be shabby, but the scenery and the flavors are delightful. Let's join Rivelo at his kitchen in his hometown. Hello, we are in my barrio, in my island town in Pangasinan. And today I went to the market to buy fresh fish from our seas. And we'll be cooking today Sinigang na Dorado. And I'll be adding camote tops right from our garden here. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified of every release, Mondays and Fridays. And don't forget to share. Ibida natin ang pagkaing Pinoy sa buong mundo. So, I'll show you the ingredients that we just acquired here. I bought this morning. And I feel guilty because the Dorado has raw, it has eggs. So this would be baby, these are millions of baby Dorados in the future. But they were caught and I have to cook them. But to be honest, they're delicious. And the other ingredients, we are cooking sinigang by the way, and I have here already put them. Fresh tamarind, tomatoes that I already put. And onions and ginger. Never seen on YouTube before showing the ingredients as after placing them into the water. So we need this. Again, let me repeat, ginger, tamarind, and onions. And as a garnishing, I'll be adding this tomato tops. Not tomato, as a garnishing, I'll be adding this camote or sweet potato tops. Let's start. Let's just boil this. And my family here has never tasted it before, adding patis into sinigang. I'll be doing it. It will be their first time. I won't tell them. So let's go. To be honest, I don't feel like filming this, but it's this rare opportunity to be cooking in my home in Pangasinan, where we catch what we're cooking. Yeah. And where we grow the sidings, the vegetable sidings. Go for it. The soup base has been boiling for I think 2 minutes now, and the tamarind has softened. Normally we crush the tamarind, but I'm in the barrio. This is not fine dining. I'll add some salt now. It's really dark. And immediately we can add the Dorado or whatever fish you have. I think while we wait for the sinigang, Dorado sinigang to cook, I'll show you again the lake at the back of our home. I hope you have enough of the view. Let's go back to the kitchen through the window. I'll be adding patis now. My mother didn't used to do this. She added patis only when she cooked mudfish. None for sea fish. None for saltwater fish. No patis for saltwater fish. But I'm introducing it. Let us add the camote tops now, and it should be good.
And your computer.
It should be cooked now, so lid on. And from the bounty of our seas here and of the land, our Dorado Sinigang with camote tops, harvested from our backyard garden. Join me again next time as we explore more of our dishes from the Philippines. And don't forget to subscribe and share this. Ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here in his hometown in Anda. See you next time, either here or in Holland or somewhere else.